Hello everyone, and I am back as promised, showing you now what I did for London's baby shower. And his was Prince themed. Here on the front lawn, I have, like I did for Everly, a personalized welcome sign that said, "We made a wish, God gave us London," and that's a picture of his ultrasound. And so my daughter has that, and that I thought was so cute. A real nice keepsake. And then here I did again a banner, and I put it on a flag holder, and I did it with my Cricut, and I did all a Prince theme with the crown, Royal Highness, and then his name. And that was at the front door as people walked in. So I thought those two elements, right away, they knew what to expect, I think. And then here's the backyard, and it was in blue, and I just had all different flowers with a crown around the bottom, if you can see that blue crown there, and then the little dragon was there. See the dragon that's up here on this scrapbook piece that I made him, having to do with all a little prince. I thought it was so cute the way that turned out, and that was all done by my Cricut. And had little knights in shining armor. Then here is the diaper cake that I made, and it is with the drawbridge and the towers, and as you can see, again, the dragon. And that dragon followed the theme throughout the whole decor. Here is the table, and I had all kinds of candy. And there's the dragon again. So there was all kinds of blue candy in apothecary jars. Like I did Everly's, only Everly's was in pink. And I had the chocolate bar covers made personalized. And here, one of the girls at the bakery when I worked at the store, she made this for London, again with the dragon and a castle, because I wanted it to follow the theme of what I was doing. I also made songs again on a CD and covered them with my Big Shot. The covers were made with the Big Shot. And everyone took one of those home as well. And then I had the bottle of water, and I had it all personalized. I just think when you do that, it just makes it so much more special for the person that you're giving the shower to have things personalized wherever you can. And then over here, I also gave them all keychains, and I think they were little pacifiers, crystal pacifiers, I believe. And then here on the bar, I just put his name in black, and then right down there, below it, you see that little like baby onesie that was made out of socks. And then I put a picture of his mom, and then a picture of his dad on the other side when they first were newborns. And that adds just another element of something special into the shower. So it was on the left was Dacia, and on the right was Andrew, her husband. And then here, this bassinet, all 5 of my kids slept in this bassinet. And so I wanted to bring that out as well to put some of the presents in, again, adding just that special touch to her. And then here is a picture of me the first day I brought her home from the hospital. And then I just put a saying into an acrylic frame and with butterflies and my special saying that I love at the bottom. And the saying is, "Babies are like bits of stardust blown from the hand of God. Lucky the woman who knows the pangs of birth, for she has held a star." Here is my daughter looking at everything, and she was so just mesmerized by everything that I had done, and that made it all worth it. And there is a chocolate fountain where people could dip strawberries, and I had it catered from a Mexican restaurant. This picture is so special to me. I love candid shots, and here she's just looking at everything. And I love pictures like this. I just love them. It was precious. And there she is smiling with all of her gifts, and just it was a very happy day for her, for both of us, for all of us. Very special. And we were playing games, and everyone was really having a good time. The weather was nice. It was a lot of fun. She had a lot of people at her shower, that is for sure. And here's a picture of her and I. It was a wonderful day. It really was. And then that night, her husband came in and she wanted to get a picture by this diaper cake, and there's the dragon again, and he was a part of the theme throughout, and he had his crown on, and there you see a castle, and that was cut by my Cricut. So now here is London, and that is my son, and I seeing him at the hospital right after he was born, and there he is, his first day home with Grandpa. He was a doll. And there he is. He was almost a year old in that picture. And so I thought I'd show you a few pictures of London. And there he is at Easter. He's my little cutie. He is so funny. And there's another picture of him. And then this one here, this was last Christmas with him and Olaf. And here, that's what he looks like today. He is 6 years old. He just turned 6. And don't mess with the hair. Bless his heart. And then here is a picture of him and his sister Everly. So guys, thank you so much. I'm so glad that you were a part of my shower series. It was a lot of fun. So now I'm just going to show some pictures with some music. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.